Alright, so the season of love is right around the corner and you want to meet women. It could be for hot dates or an everlasting love. The point being, you are missing that someone special in your life and you want to fix it. You want to resolve it. You want to do it right now. Well, if the upcoming Valentine's Day is a reason for you to think this way, or even if it's your courteous friends who make you think this way, I got you covered. I got the solution for you. Gentlemen, I got the fix for you. If meeting women and getting good at it is what you want, then I gotta give you what you want. So, my name is Mayank Bhattacharya. This is Men's Essentials. It's about time to get you some action. Intro. Okay, so first thing first. Few of the things that I'm about to talk, few of the things that I'm about to discuss in this video are just obvious. It's as obvious as the hair on your head, but some people need to know it, some people need to hear it, some men need to hear about it from time and time again. So don't get offended, don't take things personally. This video is to help you meet women, this video is to help you get laid or get a very nice girlfriend if you're into that. So be mindful about it, be aware of it. That being clear, that being said, let's get started. Perfect meeting spot number 1. Parties. It could be galas, it could be balls, bars, lounges, music festivals, or anything similar that you can possibly think of. Hell, even weddings for that matter are very good spot, are very good places to meet some amazing, interesting women. So, stop sitting on your couch and get over your porn addiction. Lisanne may be hot, but trust me, she's not gonna come knock your door and help you get laid. You have to do it for yourself, you have to get your ass up, go out and find people and do it for yourself. The perfect meeting spot number 2, probably my all-time favorite, the gym. I mean, you don't even need to be 18, 21 or 24 to get to your nearest gym. You will find fit, hot and attractive faces everywhere, and if you do happen to find that interesting one that interests you, that excites you to go talk to, you'll have something very interesting in common. You'll have something very amazing in common to talk about. Common thing being working out. The perfect meeting spot number 3, cafes, freaking face. I mean, this is something very new to me. This is something very exciting to me. But here's the thing. With all these CCDs and Starbucks populating like rats and roaches in the major parts of the cities, I do understand that small cafeterias are facing some real hard time. But it's not a bad news for all you single dudes out there. It's not at all a bad news for all you single dudes out there. Gentlemen, these CCDs and Starbucks are probably the most underrated places to meet some amazing, interesting women. Don't believe me? Take an hour off and sit at your nearest CCD or Starbucks. You will see the difference. You will see the kind of people there. I mean, just grab a bottle of water and sit there for a few hours. You'll thank me later. But gentlemen, the last 3 meeting places on this list are probably the most hot and happening places you could ever find. They are probably the most amazing places to chill at and meet the most amazing, the most interesting people you wouldn't ever mind. The spots being college campuses and college festivals. You see, if you noticed, all the Men's Essential street interviews are shot in and around college campuses. The reason being, I find a lot of interesting faces, personalities and answers to my stupid, obvious questions. So if you are someone young and in college, try attending all the major college festivals. If not, try attending all the college activities, college events in your own college. I mean, you wouldn't even know about this super cute computer science chick if you don't get your ass out of the physics department. So yeah, be more social, meet more people, cause the more, the better and the easier it gets. And lastly, the most overrated and skeptical meeting place to meet some of the most apparent interesting women is online. Be it Tinder, Hinge, Hike or even Instagram. Now, personally speaking, I'm not really a fan of this. I'm not really a fan of this medium. I mean, I'm a very physical being and I think I have so much more to offer. I have so much value to give when I meet someone in person or when I meet someone in real life. Now, I'm not denying that these apps and these Tinder and Instagram things don't work. Hey, I have had friends who got married, who have dated plenty women, who have been with plenty boyfriends and whatnot using these social media and these dating apps. So I'm not denying them, I'm not dissing on them, it's just that it never worked for me. I'm not really a fan of it. And I would rather, even if I'm busy, even if I'm doing something real crazy, I would rather get my ass out, get up and meet someone out there in real life. But hey, that's just me being me. This thing works and this thing works real good. Anyway, gentlemen, that concludes the video. That's all about the video. 6 amazing places to meet the most interesting, the most hot and happening women you could possibly want, you could possibly find. In case you like this video, in case you found it helpful or entertaining, in case you found some value out of it, then don't forget to let me know by clicking that like, share and subscribe button. And don't forget to check out my Instagram to get some outfit inspiration or to get some lifestyle, fitness or business inspiration that you would want in your life to help you make more money, to help you look more stylish, be more fit, strong and all that good things. First link in the description box. Check it out. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. Now, I'll get back to work because forget meeting women, I have to keep giving you these videos. So my social life is pretty much ruined. But hey, I got you covered. You don't forget to dress sharp, stay strong, stay stylish. My name is Mayank Bhattacharya. Thanks a lot for watching. And yeah, I'll see you soon in the next one. Cheers.